I am Reed Wilson, the principal broker and owner of the Wilson Group. We are a residential sales and property management company based right here in Virginia. However, we do service all of Hampton Roads and Northern Virginia, and we are excited to be a part of our community where we help people buy, sell homes, their property management needs, and create an amazing culture for our team members that are partnering their business with the Wilson Group.
I partner my business with the Wilson Group because of the great broker support and the family element that they have. I couldn't have chosen a better team to actually work for and to work with. The support that I get here while I'm out in Hampton Roads has been unparalleled to anyone else that I've ever worked with.
I chose to work for the Wilson Group for the support, for the training, and for the environment.
Reed has been incredible. He's kind of helped me pull my real estate career out of the ditch, out of the dregs. And you know, I have been at big companies, and I love being at this little company, having personal interaction and having Reed help us all along the way.
One of the great exciting things that we love about the Wilson Group is that we are just like a family. And I know that sounds cliche from time to time, but we really are a family. We have a great culture, an amazing environment, teamwork-like environment, where we have a good time.
What I love most about my career as a realtor is the sense of gratitude I feel and the appreciation I also receive.
Making sure that they find the home of their dreams.
Figuring out the best strategies with the tools we have available to make our clients successful.
Because I'm able to impact the lives of people for generations to come.
We act up, we get along great, and at the same time taking care of our clients. From our culture, including the teamwork like we talked about, but top-notch training with our partnership with the locker room, our collaboration with each other, we all have each other's back, and we just love to have a good time to take care of our clients. So if you're someone that's looking to buy or sell a home or even need property management, we would love to help you. We have team members that will take excellent care of you. Or if you're already a current realtor or looking to get into real estate, I would love to continue building magic with you. As the principal broker and coach here, I am going to be the biggest cheerleader for your business, and you definitely will be a member of our family.